In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and choose a template in Jitter. If you're new to Jitter, templates are a fast way to start a motion design without building everything from scratch. They're pre-made projects with layouts, timing, and animation already set up, so all you need to do later is personalize them. Our focus today is simply getting to those templates and picking the one that fits your project. First, go to Jitter. Open the site or app so you're on the main interface. From there, head to the Templates section. You'll typically see it in the main navigation or highlighted on the home page. Clicking into Templates takes you to a gallery filled with ready-to-use designs. Now it's time to look for something you want to use. There isn't a search bar here, so you'll browse manually. Think of it like walking through a well-organized showroom. Start by scanning the featured and popular selections at the top. These are often great, polished starting points. As you scroll, pay attention to categories such as social media, intros, slides, and ads. Categories help you stay focused on the format you need, whether it's a promotional post, a quick intro, or a looping graphic. Look closely at each thumbnail. Many templates display an aspect ratio or a platform hint, which can save you time if you need a square post, a vertical story, or a widescreen intro. Colors and animation style are also helpful indicators of how the final piece will feel. If you see subtle motion in the thumbnail, that's a preview of the animation complexity. If you're unsure between a few options, keep browsing a little longer. Manual navigation rewards patience and a sharp eye. Once a template catches your attention and aligns with your goal, click on the template. This opens it so you can view it more clearly and confirm that the pacing, transitions, and overall vibe match what you're going for. If it isn't quite right, simply go back to the gallery and keep exploring. Since there's no search, taking an extra minute to compare a couple of options is helpful. And that's it. You've gone to Jitter, navigated to the Templates section, browsed manually to find a suitable design, and clicked on the template you want. With your pick selected, you're ready to move forward and make it your own. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with Jitter's templates.